Hello everyone. In today's lecture of pharmacognosy, we are going to study antiseptics and disinfectants. I am Shubham M. Chaudhary, lecturer at K. K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy. So what are antiseptics and disinfectants? Antiseptics are the agents that sterilize the living surface, while disinfectants kills bacteria and spores from non-living surface. Antiseptics are normally used on the living surfaces and disinfectants are used on non-living surfaces. Examples are benzoin, myrrh, neem and curcuma. A disinfectant can be defined as an antimicrobial agent that can be applied on the surface of some objects in order to destroy the microorganisms residing on it. So antiseptic can be defined as an antimicrobial agent which can be applied on the body of a living organism to inhibit the action of microbes. They are not injected into the body like the antibiotics, rather they are applied on the surface of the skin to heal the living tissue in case of wounds and cuts. First example is benzoin. Synonym is Sumatra benzoin, gum benzoin or Loban. Biological source, it is balsamic resin obtained from Styrax benzoin, Styrax tonkinensis belonging to family Styraceae. Geographical distribution is produced from trees grown in Southeastern Asia, Sumatra and Indonesia. Collection of benzoin. Benzoin is pathological resin collected after 6 years from cultivated or wild trees by incisions near the base of tree. The resinous material allowed to solidified and sun-dried. Chemical constituents of benzoin. Sumatra benzoin contains free balsamic acids, benzoic acid and cinnamic acids. Also triterpenoids acids like sumaresinolic acid and sierrasinolic acid. And slime benzoin contains ester coniferyl benzoate 75%, styrol, vanillin, phenylpropylcinamate. It is used as a irritant, irritating expectorant, carminative, diuretic, antiseptic, protective and treatment of URT infection, means urinary tract infection, as a inhalation also. Next is myrrh. Synonym myrrh, bole or gum myrrh. Its biological source, it is oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora molmol belonging to family Burseraceae. Geographical source found in Northeast Africa and Southern Arabia. The collection, Burseraceae plants possess oleoresinous canals in their conducting tissue. Plant is small shrub 3 meter height. By incisions on the bark, it exudates yellowish colored resin, gradually hardens and becomes reddish brown. This mass is collected in goat skin and sent to market. Chemical constituents of myrrh are 10% thick volatile oil, terpenes, cuminic aldehyde, eugenol, 25 to 40% resins, alpha, beta and gamma commiphoric acid and 3 to 4% beta principles. It is used as a stimulant, used as antiseptic, protective and used in mouthwashes. Adulteration, Arabia myrrh, Yamen myrrh and Indian Melodium are the adulterate substitutes of myrrh. Next is neem. Synonym limber. Biological source, it is consists of leaves and other aerial parts of Azadirachta indica belonging to family Meliaceae. Geographical source, it is indigenous and widely grown in India. Cultivation, the plant is propagated by seeds. It survives at high temperature, little rainfall, nutrient deficient soil. The plant bears fruit after 5 years. Chemical constituents are azadirachtin, selenin, melentriol. Leaves contain nimbosterol, quercetin. Seeds contain azadirachtin, selenin, melentriol, meliacin. Bark contains nimbin, nimbinin, nimbidine, nimbosterol, margocin, and it is used as an antiseptic, insecticide, antiviral, and treatment of AIDS. Next is curcumin or turmeric. Its synonym turmeric, haldi, or Indian saffron. A biological source, it is consists of dried or fresh rhizomes of Curcuma longa belonging to family Gingiberaceae. A geographical source, it is cultivated in Pakistan, Malaysia, China, and in India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab. Chemical constituents are 5% volatile oil, resin, yellowish coloring substance, curcuminoids, curcumin, turmeron, gingiberine, borneol, caprylic acid. It is used as antiseptic, expectorant in condiments, coloring agents in ointment and creams, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory agent. Thank you.